So guys, today I'm going to show you how to add a machine or a computer to a domain. Now I have my Windows 11 here, then I have my server 2026 here. Now before you add a machine to a domain, first thing you should have your AD created, and after creating your AD, you promote it to a DC, which is a domain controller. Yeah, if you don't know how to do that, you can comment. I'll do a video for you, but for now I have my AD and I have my domain name. So I want just to show you a crucial part here. Before you add roles and features, you need your server to have these configurations. So these configurations here, you make sure you have a static IP, subnet mask, then your preferred DNS server should have this loopback IP, this one 127.0.0.1, so that it gives your DC capabilities to host its own DNS. Now that's what I wanted to show you here. Is a crucial part. Now before we add a domain, a machine to a domain, let me show you my domain first. Server manager. Now let it open. I want to show you my domain. Now here is my domain, is called cyberlab.local. Then my preferred IP is this one. That's what I was telling you. Before you do these, you should have this network configuration. You choose your own static IP. That's why I gave it this IP. This is my server IP. Now so here is my domain, which is called my cyberlab.local. Now here is my computer, my Windows 11 computer. Now before I do that, let's try and see if we can ping that IP 192.168.163.2. Ping failed, so there is nothing it's getting. And then if you try to ping that domain, it is called cyberlab.local. Let's see. Again, it's not getting anything. Yeah, so why? Because it's nowhere on that domain. So what do? We want to add this machine to the domain. First, we'll have to do some network configuration. So click Windows plus R, then ncpa.cpl, then click OK. Now on our network configuration, like we did it on the server, but here we'll have to do something different. Yeah, so locate the IPv4, then go to properties. Then here we use not the DHCP, the automatic one, we use the static one. Now let's give it an IP. On that, the IP should be in the range of that server IP. So you can give it 192.168.163. Let's give it .50. Then subnet mask 255.255.255.0. Then preferred DNS, we will not give it the one we gave our server. Now we'll give it the server IP, so that it should be our domain controller. Yeah, so we give it 192.168.163.2. yes, then we click OK, then close. I want to see now if it will resolve, or it will, when we try to ping that domain, we see if it will get some response from that range we have given it. Now let's just give it CMD. Let's try to ping that IP and see. Ping 192.168.163.2. let's see. So you can see we are getting the results. The ping is responding from the IP address of that server. Now let's try and ping that domain, which is called cyberlab.local, and see. Yeah, again it's responding from that Cyberlab. Why? Because it's on that network, but you have not added this machine to the domain. Yeah, so what we are going to do is we're going to use the sysdm.cpl and see. So this machine is on the work group, and we want it to be on the domain. So we'll click change member of, we give it domain name, which is Cyberlab, our domain, cyberlab.local, that way, and then we click OK. Then we will use our admin password, the admin of that domain, so that we can give this machine access to the domain. Now put password. Let's see. Yes, so it told us now welcome to cyberlab.local domain. Now click OK. Then our computer will have to restart. Then restart now. So as it's restarting, let's check our computers and users and see if we have that computer added to our domain. So we go to Active Directory, users and computers. Yeah, so if we come to computers, here is our machine. Here it is. Now here it is, Windows 11. Now from this is still restarting. We want to log to this machine as an admin and see if for sure it will give us access. So here we have a member, a user here I created is again an admin. It's a domain admin here. But I don't remember his password, but we'll just use the admin password to log into that machine and see. Now here it is. So we're logging as other user, not the real user. So here, for typing in that we want to sign into Cyberlab, so we'll use the name first, which is Cyberlab, then backslash our name, administrator, then password. Put password and see if we can log into that machine. Let's see. It's telling us welcome. It should give us access. Let's see before login. I don't know this user, so I think I can just create another user. I want to show you how to create another user, and then we use that user to log into that machine, because I don't remember this user, his password. You can just even delete him. Yes, and create another user. Yeah, so users, new, let's create another user. Let's call him Tom. Then net log is user login, just use Tom. Then next, must change password. Let's just give it password never expire. Yeah, then give him a password. Then click next, then finish. Password policy is not responding. I don't know. Let's create again. I've not seen those rules, so I think I should observe the rules of the passwords. Then next, I think I'll just use a strong password here. Maybe it's the length and whatever, but I'll just try and create a strong password. It is way done. Okay. It looks so big. Yes, then never expire. Okay, let's see. Yeah, so I think we've created that user, and if you come here, we'll see the user Tom. Here he is, and you want him to log in. So here we have logged in as an administrator. Yeah, so let's see as an administrator, manage my account or whatever. So let's sign out administrator. So we want to log in as Tom and see, because is a user on this domain. Now let's see, and Tom is a member of, let's see his properties, is a member of that domain. It's just a domain user, it's not an admin. Yeah, so if you want to add privileges or add a member of, you can just add here. You can just add here Tom as a member of another. You can just enter the name, maybe the admin or whatever, and then we'll add him here. But now he's just a member of the domain. Let's see if he is able to log in. Other user, let's use Tom. So Cyberlab. Remember to be using these. Yeah, and then password. Don't know if it's that. Yeah, so Tom is again a member of the domain, so he's logging in as a user, not as an administrator. So hi, let's see, getting ready. So you can see that shows that our domain is well set up, and these users can log into that machine. So Tom can log in, administrator can log in. So we have some inbuilt users here. You can see guest is a is a member of this domain. Those are just local members of the domain. So think that is for today. So here it is, logged in as Tom. So if you have problems on creating a member or a computer or adding a computer, you can comment down there and then see how we can help each other. But just for now, so remember to follow for more videos.